In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your HubSpot companies. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clone an existing company record, so you can reuse its details without retyping everything from scratch. First, open your browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that your user has permission to view and edit companies. If you have access to multiple accounts, confirm you've selected the correct one before moving on. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left-hand sidebar and locate the CRM area. Depending on your navigation settings, this may be labeled clearly or grouped under a broader menu. The goal here is to get to your CRM objects. Next, click Companies. This opens your company's index page, where you'll see the full list of company records. Use search or filters to quickly find the company you want to duplicate. When you see it, click the company name to open its detailed record. Inside the company record, look for the Actions menu. It's usually positioned near the top of the page. Click Actions, then choose Clone. This opens a cloning panel where HubSpot prepares a new company based on the original one. In the Clone panel, review and edit the key fields. You can update the company domain name, and the company owner. Be mindful of the domain. HubSpot uses it to help with deduplication. So if you're creating a distinct record, set a unique domain or leave it appropriate for your use case. Adjust the owner if this new record should be assigned to a different teammate. You can also add the industry. This is a great time to keep your data clean and consistent. Choose the industry that best matches the new record so your reporting stays accurate. When everything looks right, click Clone to create the new company. HubSpot will generate the duplicate using the details you reviewed. After it's created, you'll see the new record in your company's list. It's a good idea to double-check that the name, domain, owner, and industry are exactly what you intended. If your account uses duplicate detection, be aware that identical domains may trigger warnings, so adjust as needed. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a company in HubSpot, saving time while keeping your data organized and consistent.